Now, for centuries, piano technicians have been tuning pianos using strictly their ear and tuning forks. This is historically what people have done, and it's been a wonderful, wonderful craft and skill to have, and it's really worked. The way that you would do this is a technician would tune the entire piano strictly aurally or by ear, using first the tuning fork to set their guide note, and then create the temperament or middle octave of the piano, tuning it perfectly, and then going through their octaves to tune the rest of the piano from that temperament. Now, this is a phenomenal thing to do, and it is a skill you should learn how to do, and that's what we teach. Now, that being said, there is another tool out there called the ETD, or electronic tuning device. Now, what these ETDs do is enable technicians to not only use their ears, but now their eyes, and see how their tuning is coming along and progressing. These devices are phenomenal because it allows you to literally see what type of pin movement you're doing and how that is affecting the string and the overall tension of the piano itself. Now, when you're using an ETD, you want to make sure to not rely solely on it. You do want to use your aural tuning skills and the things that you have learned, because if you use strictly the ETD, this tuning will sound robotic and not really clear. It won't sound organic. So what we teach here at the Artisan School is how to marry aural tuning skills with ETD tuning, and we call that hybrid tuning. Now, perhaps the best thing about embracing this hybrid tuning method is it really allows you to focus on tuning stability. You see, when you're tuning a piano aurally, you're building the entire tuning from scratch. You're building a temperament. You're building the foundation that you will follow through the rest of the tuning. With an ETD, it does that work for you. It is building the foundation. It is constructing the temperament, and you simply need to follow the roadmap that the ETD is providing. Now, the way that we do this is we are going to record the piano, and then that data gets implemented into the ETD software and then reformatted to then create the roadmap. Now, following the roadmap that the ETDs have provided for us is a fantastic start of your tuning journey because it really allows you to focus on tuning stability. You see, unlike when you're tuning a piano aurally, we're not having to mess with the temperament, we're not having to mess with the stretching, we're just following the course that these ETDs have set out before us. And so because of that, we are focusing solely on moving the tuning pins and the strings and then making sure that everything is stable.